Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, TIDYWITTOYA. This your girl Toya, and I am here today with a very quick speed clean for you all. I had maybe 45 minutes before I had to be downstairs to make the twins breakfast so that I could start my work from home stuff. So I hope you all really enjoy this quick and fast speed clean. And really the speed clean consists of making my bed, folding up some clothes, putting some clothes away, and then starting the washer and dryer for another load. So hope y'all enjoy. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. So glad you all came back for another video. To those of you that are new here, welcome. My name is Toya. I am a married twin mom. I work full-time, and on my channel I create cleaning, organizing, decluttering, a little bit of decorating videos, twin mom lifestyle type content. If this is something that interests you, please subscribe, like this video, and introduce yourself down in the comments and let me know that you're here watching. Yo, after folding up and doing this laundry on this day, like, I really felt less stressed going into the weekend. A lot of times when I go into the weekend, I feel so stressed out because I have so many things to do. The twins are going to be here with me. Am I going to have time to take them out and do something? Am I going to have the energy to take them out and do something? Like, all these things cross my mind. And so going into the weekend, I felt so much better about my house, especially the laundry, and so I knew that I was going to be able to take the twins at least someplace this weekend. So let me know in the comments if y'all feel this way. You know, you start your weekends and it feels like almost more work, even though you don't have to physically go to work if you are a full-time or working parent, but it's very hard to work all week, go into the weekend, have to do housework, a lot of housework, and then you have your twins at home with you as well. So let me know in the comments, how do you all typically feel going into the weekend? Do you feel more stressed than you do during the week, less stressed? Let me know in the comments.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
What's not shown is that the twins also had some clothes that I had to put away, and those are the clothes that are left on the bed right now. I decided to take those clothes into their room and then just to do their room and put away their clothes and such over the weekend, since their clothes are so tiny and they don't take a lot of time to put away. I just decided to save those to the weekend because I had some other ones that were in their room as well. So I have also made some other changes in the laundry area. As you can see, I'm using liquid detergent now, and then I also have this little attachment that is hooked on to the end of the liquid detergent, which holds the small little container to put detergent in. And I really love that thing because it catches any detergent that leaks after the fact. And then it's just, an easy way to just kind of sit the cup there, fill it up, and then I can see at eye level how much I need to fill it up. So y'all, this is the end of this short and sweet video. I hope you enjoyed it today. Please subscribe, comment, and like this video. It really does help my channel. And I'll see you all in the next video.